our escape room. You're going to find your Microsoft Teams that you want to redo. So Cesar's going, he's going to look at his class notebook, and he's going to check out one of his science. So he's going to find his science page.
You guys go ahead.
And he's just going to look at lesson 1-2. And so he has this little audio, which means it has his grade. So he would click on it and listen.
Good job, Cesar. Remember when you're working, though, make sure you answer all of your questions because you did miss one.
And it was this question
The
right
rest of
here.
it was excellent. Keep up the...
And then he's going to check his next one. And so here's his grade for this science. So he's going to listen to it.
Good job on getting this assignment done. Make sure, because we're scientists, that we want to add a little bit more each time when we're doing our descriptions, like we're describing the shape of the cubes. You got an A, a 5 out of 5.
So Cesar's good with that 5 out of 5. But let's say this was Cesar. You got a 5 out of 5 on this one. But let's say we listened to it and he got a 1 out of 5, which is an F. If he wants to redo it, you guys have on this channel now something called work and test redo. So if you want to redo a test, you want to redo an assignment, you have to let me know, because I'm not going to go back through everyone's grade books, everyone's test to see if you've done it. You have to be responsible in 4th grade to let me know that you've redone it or you want to redo it. So what Cesar is going to do is he's going to go to this work and test redo, and he's going to click on it, and he's going to tell me what he wants to redo. So he's going to put that @ Wembley, and now I know that it's going to come straight to me, and he's going to put, I would like to redo my science lesson 1-1, and maybe he wanted to redo a word study also. And so you'll see right here, his name will already be put on it because as soon as you hit enter, it's going to put that. He's told me his assignment he wants to redo, and then he's going to click send. And so it will pop up on my screen right here. So I see Cesar, oh, he wants to redo it. So I'll say, excellent. And if he needs something else, like if it's a test, I have to resend it to you. So if it's a test, or another piece of science that you have to wait for me, I'll say when I've sent it to you, I just sent you the test, and that will appear in his assignment part. If it's in your class notebook, you can get started on it right away. Now there's one more thing that Cesar would need to do. Study that. Give me a thumbs up if you know what else he has to do. Alex, what else does he have to do?
He also has to let you know when he finished it.
Excellent. Because I don't know if he's going to do it right now, if he's going to do it in an hour, if he's going to do it over the weekend. So when he's done, he will have to let me know. So he'll go to wherever he sent that message, and he will say @ Wembley, so it comes straight to me, I'm finished. And then I get to know, okay, he's done. Now, there is one tiny mistake that he would need to fix, and it involves this part right here. For 10 raffle tickets, does anyone know what he needs to redo for this assignment? There's a mistake in there, and I will not be able to figure it out. Let me share my screen again. What does he need to clarify or make clear? All right, Alex, I guess you're just going to rake in the raffle tickets again this week. What does he still need to make clear?
He still needs to make clear the word study. Which word study is it?
Yeah, so far you guys have done 9 word studies. I don't know which one that he wants the better grade on. So he would have to change it and say, Mr. Wimbley, word study, vowel, team power, or whichever one he wants to redo. So that is how you guys redo your assignments for better grades. You go to your work and test redo channel. You will message me and say which assignments you want to redo, and then you'll let me know when they're finished. The only people that can see that channel are you guys. So the other classes aren't able to see it. It's just our class. Are there any questions on that part? Going once, going twice, sold. All right. Then yesterday we talked about something that involved music. Does anyone remember what that was? Daniel, what was it that we talked about yesterday that involved music?
The thing that we talked yesterday was for our story.
Yep. Can you elaborate a little more on that, Daniel, or is that all you got for us?
Yeah, I can elaborate more. I can't really think because people are talking in my background.
All right. Kiana, will you share? And then Cesar, I'll have you finish up if she leaves anything out. What is it about this story and music?
About the story and music, we have to come up with some music and have to make the music match with your words and read it right.
Excellent. Cesar, do you have anything to add?
No.
Perfect. All right. We are, and this is our weird part, since you guys are distance learners, we are going to start specials, meaning library and music. However, in music, you guys normally get a grade. I don't really know how she'll be grading you because our music's really different this time. If you guys remember for your Zoom in March and April, she came on with all the other Zoom people and she did activities for you. She's not going to be able to do that this year because of time. So what's going to happen this year is we're going to take my computer, and it sounds really strange, and I'm going to roll my computer into Ms. Musso's classroom. And you guys are going to watch and interact while she's teaching Ms. Musso's class. I don't know how it's going to go, so we're going to give that a try next week. The same thing is going to happen with library. So Ms. Denhart, we're going to take my computer, put it on a cart, roll it to Ms. Musso's class, and then you're going to listen to the story that she shares with them. I, again, don't know how it will work. So if we can't hear Ms. Scarborough or Ms. Denhart our first specials time, let me know and we'll have to come up with a different strategy. But it's going to be strange, it's going to be unique, so we're just going to have to go with it for our first time. Kylie, you have a question for us. What's your question?
My question is, what are we doing with the raffle tickets again?
Oh, you must have missed that part. Can I have a volunteer to share what the raffle tickets are, how you earn them, and what the prize is if you're our winner?
I know how to earn them.
Okay, Luce, will you share?
When you win the raffle, you get to choose a dollar gift card that you want.
So if you win the raffle that we have on Fridays, you get a $5 gift card. You let me know, and then I email it or Class Dojo it to your parents. All right. Are there any other questions? We have one more thing before we all say bye. Going once for questions, going twice. All right. Derek, your question.
My question? question is, wait, why? I forget so easily.
You do. Maybe you should write your questions down to help you remember. All right. Any other questions before we go to our last item? Okay. Yes, Derek.
Why? I just remembered it.
All right, share it for us.
Well, actually, I just wanted to show you my bow.
Oh, we're not showing stuff. It's question time, Derek.
And also, I was gonna ask if you like the bow.
I do like it. I actually went to the Junior Olympics for archery. So I'll show you my archery trophy tomorrow, bud. But I do love your bow. It's pretty good. All right. Tomorrow, you have your special day. Give me a thumbs up if you remember what tomorrow is. Looks like 3, 4.
Sports day.
Sports day. Good job, Blurter. It is sports day tomorrow. So
Sports day.
if you wear your favorite sports team or a sports outfit, you're getting 2 raffle tickets. We're going to also have a vote for 10 raffle tickets for who has the best. And then your last one, if anyone has been listening or knows siblings that have had me, if you can figure out my favorite sports team, you're going to get 20 raffle tickets. But don't blurt it out or don't share with others because then they'll get 22. Alan, do you have a question, bud?
Do we have to like be exactly like our favorite soccer player?
Nope. Because I know your favorite is Messi, so I don't expect you to have like his chiseled abs and his long greasy hair. So yeah, does have to be exactly. We all know it's Messi. All right, Kylie, and then we're going to say our goodbyes. Yes,
I
Kylie.
don't have a sports outfit or a favorite sport.
Good luck. Get creative then. All right, Osvaldo, I'm gonna have you and Alex stay on afterwards. Okay. Count of 3, unmute your microphones and say bye.